Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So I just wanted to come here and say something. Actually, lots of people and most importantly my client many time ask me that ma'am, tell me about yourself, about your love life. Have you manifested your SP? So of course yes, that is why I have been coaching all of you because I know that how does it feel like being in no contact, because I also have been in that situation where I was manifesting a contact. Okay, like I was thinking that okay, usko text karna chahiye, like he should text me, he should call me, he should initiate the conversation. So yeah, I have been on that place also, and I also have seen such situation where he was not ready for the commitment. Not actually for the commitment. Actually, he had given me commitment, but there was some situation where he just was bound to tell me that no, it is not possible, it can't happen. So I think we should not continue, kind of things. But yeah, I just knew about the manifestation, and let me be very honest with you guys. I was not that brilliant in manifestation at that time. I had not manifested anything big in my life so that I can say that okay, I'm the master and I can actually manifest something big in my life. I knew nothing much about manifestation, just a simple kind of thing like okay, just journaling and affirming and all. I was not aware about the deep concept and all, but I just knew that okay, manifestation works and law is guaranteed. So I was so determined that no, I am going to manifest my partner, I'm going to manifest him back in my life. And yeah, thankfully and very gracefully very gratefully I have manifested my man, and that is why I understand every ups and down that people are actually going through. And you know what, I am every day, like I'm super grateful to have such a man in my life, because I think that I have won in my life just because I have him with me, because he is everything I have ever prayed for. Like since childhood, whatever definition I had in my mind about love, like he fulfills everything. He actually takes every everything whatever I had thought about my partner, like how should love look like in my life, how should I feel in my love life. So I am just exactly like that, and he's exactly like what I had actually imagined about my partner. So yeah, I am very grateful, and I love him. He loves me even more than that. So I'm just telling you that it is very possible, because I know that how bad situation I have faced in my life, and if I can come out of from that circumstances, so you can also. And you know what? Let me tell you, like I had no one to guide me, just like I am guiding you, my clients and all. I had no one to tell me that what should I do. I had no one to actually show me that where I am lacking, because I was not that privileged with money aspect that I could actually buy any coaching. So if you are in that place where you can afford a coaching, even if you are able to pay a minimum amount, then please invest in yourself and learn the coaching. I mean, learn the manifestation in a correct way, because you can literally manifest your race. It is not that difficult actually. You just need to work on your basics, because I can see that many people are there who are not clear about the basics. They tell me that yeah, I know about the manifestation, I have done a lot of courses, I have affirmed, I have robotically affirmed, I have done this, done that, okay, but still I can sense, I can see that they are still lacking the basics. And this is exactly what I cover in my coaching programs.